today I'm going to be making chocolate chip scones. And as you can see, I'm at a different place right now. That's just how it works out. And so the things you'll need are one baking sheet, wax or parchment paper, a cooling rack, and the ingredients you will need are half a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 3 cups of oat flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a cup of dry sweetener, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, a third cup of almond butter, and half a cup of grain sweetened chocolate chips, which are optional. First thing you want to do is line your baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a glass measuring cup, you want to whisk together your apple cider vinegar and your almond milk, and then set aside to curdle for a few minutes, and then add your vanilla. Okay, so the next thing you want to do while that is curdling is pour in your oat flour. It's a lot of oat flour. Your baking powder, and your dry sweetener. Again, I'm using Stuck in It. And your salt. Then you just want to whisk it all together until it's all combined. Now that you have sifted that together, you just want to add your vanilla because it's probably been a couple minutes, and then just kind of mix it in and then set aside again. Then using a fork, you want to mix together your applesauce and make sure you get all of it out, because if you don't, it won't turn out right. And your almond butter, and then just mix them together. Okay, so I have my wet mixture and my dry mixture. You just want to cut the wet mixture into the dry mixture until all combined and all mixed together, just until moistened. Once it is crumbly, you want to add your curdled milk mixture, and make sure you do not overmix this. It probably won't turn out right. So do not overmix. Since I am making chocolate chip scones, I'm just going to add my half a cup of chocolate chips and just fold them in. Don't mix them, just fold them. Now I just want to put the batter on the sheet. So I got a 1/4 cup and I have a cookie cutter. So you don't have to use a cookie cutter, I just am because to make it look cute. So I'm just going to put that there and get a 1/4 cup. And to make the batter come out easier, just mist it with a little bit of water. Doesn't have to be exact, but don't fill it too much because then it won't work. So then you want to take it out and just put it in your cookie cutter if you're using one, and just press it down. And do that. And you're done. So just do that with the rest of the batter. For 20 to 24 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or until a knife or toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. empty out of the oven, and now I'm going to wait 5 minutes and let them cool, and then put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. And here are your chocolate chip scones. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And if you have anything you want me to make, just put it in the comments down below.